welcome back to another Computer Sluggish video. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to check out my social media channels. In today's video, I will be showing you how to change your default web browser in Windows 10. To start off with, first you need to go down to the bottom left hand corner of your screen and you need to type in default. And you now need to click on Default Apps. And you now need to click onto Web Browser. You can now click onto the web browser you would like to select as your default browser. I want to use Firefox as my default web browser, which means now whenever I click on, say, a help section on a bit of software or go to visit a website, it will automatically launch Firefox. And that is it. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more Computer Sluggish tutorials. Don't forget to check out my social channels.